Hi, today I'm making Peppermint Meltaways. These very soft, delicious cookies are perfect for the holiday. They're very festive and simple to make. So we're going to begin with 1.25 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of butter softened, a half a cup of confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar, and a half a cup of cornstarch, and just a half a teaspoon of peppermint extract. We'll begin by creaming our butter and our powdered sugar all together until it's well combined. Separate bowl, we're going to combine our flour and our cornstarch and whisk them until the flour and the cornstarch are well combined. We'll next add a half a teaspoon of peppermint extract to the butter and sugar mixture and just blend that well. And then we'll begin to add the flour mixture back to the butter mixture. And so we'll just kind of mix that until everything is well combined. And then it's going to be really soft. And so we're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. So I just kind of take my spatula and make sure there's no flour on the edges. And then I'm going to cover my cookie batter and put it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes because we want it to firm up a bit before we bake. Now, I use a cookie scooper for my cookies, so I like to make them round. And so you're going to roll these into small balls and actually place them, an inch apart on a cookie sheet. While that's baking for 9 minutes at 350 degrees, we're going to go ahead and create our icing for the cookies. So this is sort of a butter-based icing. It's 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 to 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. We're going to also add peppermint extract, about 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract, and a couple of drops of food coloring if you like. You can let this icing stay white, or if you want to add food coloring like I did, you can. And I like pink, and so that's why the icing is pink. And you're going to combine all that butter and milk and powdered sugar together to make icing for the cookies. And once it's well combined and the texture and consistency that you like, you can set that aside until the cookies are finished baking. Now, once the cookies have cooled at least 5 minutes, you can go ahead and add your icing to the top of the cookies. And you're going to just put a little dollop on each cookie. It'll spread a little bit. That's fine. You're going to add the candy cane pieces on top, and it makes a beautiful cookie. And that is a Peppermint Meltaway. Now, when you bite into this cookie, it is going to be light and airy, almost melt in your mouth. And so hence the name Peppermint Meltaways.